it will not last. Every day, who is Emeka here? Do you know how many Emeka that is here? They are not preaching salvation message. Activities of Zion is the same thing with your activities. What if a teacher? Every single thing even they say is the same thing in name. There is no change. During the time of ministration, you minister. The time of prophecy, you prophesy. When it comes to healing and deliverance, you act. What is the difference? The only difference there is that na nwata pakaria ibe ya na nko asina pare na ajofia. Nwata pakari ibe na nko asina pare na ajofia. For everything in this life, there is time and season. Your time will pass, another person's time will be his time or her time to shine. Everybody not at ease their own peak, just like my dad. My dad when he came with time otiri, or when he time or more. If my dad didn't need it, is to give space for that light to shine. The moment superiority, that will be where you will start using some kind of words like you are using now. If you like, you could open today 5,000 people share your video. Even they say similar to the 5,000 people you share. Have you seen? As many as those who believe in your anointing is same as the people who believe in the anointing of Evangelist Kobe. You cannot contest it. You cannot claim to be the ultimate. You cannot claim to be the highest. You cannot claim to be the only original. That is my message. I am not interested in your personal life. I am not interested in which call or that. Vice versa. I am interested in respecting other people the same way you want others to respect you. That is what I am interested in. Sometimes when you say something, let us assume that your members are misunderstanding you. Why can't you put a disclaimer and make things right? A simple thing can straighten a lot of things. A simple thing, clarification, can help to maintain peace. I will never stop hammering on this. I will never stop hammering on this. If you send your kids to go and insult another person's parents, be rest assured that another person sending their kids to come and insult you, do not say, if you think that other people's parents deserve insult, you deserve so much also to be insulted. Look, let me tell you, more than 80% of the issue came in Nigeria are messing up big time. They are messing up big time. I have to be honest with you. And people like you, Mathias opportunity. How when they mess this kind of up and mess. If not, at this particular time. They say attach you somewhere. Because Zion ministry and you go hanya. Zion ministry and you go here. There are excesses online who Zion now confront to her. Yes, they are everywhere, confronting them and checkmating them and putting them in chain. So Hano has anything that. Hano has anything that. The whole demon non imeha na into her life. So now you know why they can even join anybody against Zion. Oh, Zion, if a bidoro kuni na neku, or if also, if no even in na yemen calf apologize and wounded it. Oh, Zion kana show Madekuna every video name. I owe nobody any apology about that. It was even Neku Wezoku. Even Neku Wezoku, he who goes to equity must come with clean hands. And I'm a go now. I will not stop. It is part of evangelism. In case if you don't know, it is part of evangelism. Face your church, face your congregation, leave other people's business. Let people face theirs and leave your business. If there is any common onye gona Zion Yadasho on the unbelievers say there so kusucho onwe ha n'okporo onu. Mana una afro sifa ana adusi ubukele onye karele. Father and son and father. ana adusu bukere onye karele. E wadago ewe negaluzie the actual people. You are allowing those people to be using your word against your colleague. All this pride, all ending in this word. All ending in this word. E wadago carry the one. All ending in this word. TB Joshua Muchalo, mwese na mfucha nka afudebe. Neme na nne timbo TB Joshua. Sinate vayo ba mwaba, mwese na ekete kupike. So na mo nka na mo nka. O endre no wa. O ende no wa. Ebe the great prophet TB Joshua mechila anya no nwo nchekwa na egwuregwu eburi edo inana. Onye de fa ha ya nwa. Aneko onye awu onye mbu nwa niile gbalu gburugburu ma. Emmanuel TV apụta na-eme ka sefe a na-eme. Ndị ụka tewe onwe ha ule. Ndị ụka tewe onwe ha ule. Ndị ụka na-ete n'onwe unu ule na-ete onwe unu ha aka. Na-ete onwe unu ha aka. At a time Mathias setiri unu trap. Unu niile wee walk into the trap of Mathias. Mathias wee wolu members ya wee na manipulate unu niile. Ochester ndị fada, Ochester ndị bishop, Ochester ndị bishop, Ochester of pastor from nowhere, Ochester of pastor, Odehe capital of reverend sister from nowhere. Onye unu niile na anu so go your fellow Christian brethren. How many times have you ever had time to address the excesses and nonsense Mathias na eduko you mokorobia into? Imechiri anya. Are they not the people you should be preaching to? But you are busy after a ministry where so many souls are people to God. There are so many people that because now how can we faith in God today is because of how they see God through evangelist Kobe. You are not even worried about so many souls to saved through Zion. You are trying so much to bring that ministry down. Kofodum ulobi adona nyechuku webasa ni mozara. But unde ulobi fulefu ana acha ka azota. It is regard ya opposite honey reverend father. Activities in the Zion. You are bothered more about Zion activities where they are calling God than Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor. You are bothered more. The challenges so can face it today. Man, guess in Ugwausa, we bought an Igbo here. If you are bothered evangelist Kobe Zion. Even when millions of souls who still call God today because of the faith they have in God. Now the manifestation Yahana for Zion to evangelist Kobe. Some of you need the carbon or anisi. Some of you feel carbon or anisi. Look, let me tell you my life. The standard you believe in, I will never go short of that standard while talking to you or addressing you. Because that is what you fully understand. If you don't understand that, I should be able to see that through your words and your action. I am Ezugo. Ezugo. Yes, I am Ezugo 1. But then about the second, you will understand it later. You wanna go? I am not the usual blogger you see outside there. Abulon J Park. Abulon J Park. I believe in Ebo Belu go Belu. You can't be complaining of evil cool about you. What of Unkinya and the Madakari Kumakonyoso? On it, I know. If I chanya mention to you, because they like it. Begone. I'm a lip and wobble. The other go. I'm a lip and wobble. No, I ban is apology. Keep waiting for apology. Oh, I don't.